Hello, Jas. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm also doing good. So, can you please introduce yourself?
So my name is Ujaz Lakod. I am an international student at RMIT and I'm currently pursuing my master's in project management.
Oh, that's nice. That was gonna be my next question. Are you domestic or international? But you already said. So
Yes, I am an international student.
Okay. So, please tell which course you're doing.
I am doing my master's in project management.
Oh, that's nice. So, why?
Why? So it's a very funny story actually. So I have done my bachelor's in organic chemistry and I was in complete like a science student. But I started working as a event manager, and that's when I realized that I want to pursue management more.
Okay.
So I wanted to go in. I wanted to explore that field more. That's why I started researching courses and everything, and that's when I came across project management. That's how I chose project management.
That's nice. So, okay. Why Australia?
Why Australia? So the main reason why I chose Australia was because I like the whole study and student culture over here. And secondly, I got into RMIT. That was the first acceptance letter I got, so I just took it.
Okay. Okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
So, okay, but I know you got into RMIT, that's why you came here. But which uni do you think is best for this course?
Uh, I would highly prefer RMIT because I have my reasons for that. So in RMIT, the whole course structure and everything is perfect for it. And secondly, they give a lot of practical knowledge.
Oh, that's nice.
It's more practical rather than bookish knowledge. So that is why I prefer that RMIT is the best. But also UniMed also gives a great course in project management.
But
so-
UniMelb is a little bit expensive.
It's very expensive. Not little bit, it's very expensive.
Okay. Can you tell about your course structure?
So every semester we have 4 units that are compulsory, and we don't have any elective or minors or majors. We have 4 units, we have to do it compulsorily.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
So it is a bit straightforward.
It's very straightforward,
Yeah,
yes. It's
okay.
very straightforward.
So, okay. Do you have any approx idea how much is your fees?
My fees for 2 years is around $35,000.
I think so it will be more.
No, it is around $35,000 to $40,000 in
Okay.
between somewhere there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I am paying more. So, do you get internships after this?
Yes, we do get internships, but it's a little hectic process to grab an internship. You have to work a lot, give a lot of interviews, have a lot of skills to land a good internship.
Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of jobs do you get after this?
So it's pretty straightforward. If I'm doing project management, I will be mostly going towards project manager side. But now it depends on which industry you want to go to. We can go into IT industry or chemical industry. Any kind of big project will need a project manager end of the day. So the job background and the job field is really wide when it comes to project management.
And what kind of background do you need to study this?
Ideally, it's like you should come from an engineering background. But as I mentioned before, that I myself did bachelor's in sciences, so it's not necessary as long as you have deep interest towards the course.
Okay. No, so okay, like for me, if I'm from commerce background, I
Yeah.
still can go for project management, no?
You can. There are. You can, but it will just take you a little time to grasp things.
Okay.
So what I have noticed is my classmates are majority from civil engineering background.
Okay.
So that is why they understand the stuff way easier than I do.
Okay.
So yeah.
What is PR pathway after this?
There is no straight PR pathway to this, but if you are working here, you can get a sponsorship and everything. So you have other ways, but there is no direct PR pathway to this
But
course.
I think so, like if you get a job in construction,
Yeah.
project management as a
Yeah.
construction, there is PR,
Yes.
right?
Then there is.
Yeah.
So via there is,
Yeah.
but there is no direct pathway. That's what I said.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Because I was looking for skill occupied list on that.
Yes,
So for
yes.
yeah. You have exams or assignments?
My course is completely assignment based and quiz based. So we
Oh.
don't have proper exam. We have online quizzes and assignments that we need to submit.
That's nice. Means
No
basic-
stress.
Yeah. ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Oh.
Let's hope our professors don't see this.
No, I'm graduating in 2 weeks. Means I'm
I
doing-
still have a year to go.
Okay. How are you able to enjoy extracurriculum activities with this?
Yeah, if I stop procrastinating my assignments and do them on time, yes, I'll be able to enjoy. Like I
Okay.
attend all of the RIC events, RUSU events and everything. So I am able to, but I just need to stop procrastinating my assignments.
I get it.
Yeah.
And my last question to you is, are you able to manage your job and studies together?
It gets pretty hectic. It gets pretty tiring sometimes. But if there is a will, there's a way. So
Okay.
I just go with it and manage it.
Go with the flow.
Go with the flow, yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So I think so that is all for today. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for taking the time out.
Thank you for having me. And guys, please do subscribe to this amazing guy.
Guys, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment. I will get back to her and ask her. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much.